Hello and welcome back, everyone. Today I'd like to start this video by sending out a shout out to Jasper Pearson right here. Even though he doesn't have many videos, they are pretty awesome. So yeah, check out his channel. Okay, today I'd like to start off with a new trick. Okay, a very amazing trick. So I'll do the trick first and then I'll do the tutorial. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you to pick a card. Since you're not here, I'll have to do it for you. Okay, so this right here will be your card. I want to look. Okay, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put your card in the deck, give the deck a few cuts, shuffle the deck. So now your card is lost. It could be in the top, it could be in the middle, and it could be in the bottom. There's practically no way I could have followed your card through all that. Okay. So next, this card is going to tell us what color your card is. Okay, so your card is red. Perfect. We'll leave the 3 of hearts aside, and we'll take the next card, which will tell us how many cards until your card. 4. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, and this 100% guaranteed is your card. There we go. 3 of hearts. What? I thought the 3 of hearts was right here. Nope. That's an ace. And why an ace? Because this, and these are all aces. Okay, so let's go on to the tutorial. Okay, so what you need for this trick, you need to put the 3 aces, any 4, and 3 aces, any 4, and then an ace of spades, and put it on the bottom. Which card they pick, it is a free choice. For this trick, we'll use the 2 of clubs. So what you want to do, you want to do a double undercut. Okay, so like that, so that the 2 of clubs goes to the top. This is the video showing you how to do it. Okay, and then what you do is you say it could be on the top, your card could be in the middle, or your card could be in the bottom. And while you spread out those bottom cards, you want to take the bottom 5 cards and get a thumb break on those cards, okay? So the 4 aces and the 4, and then what you want to do, you want to get the top card, and it will show what color their card is because it's actually their card. And while you flip it back, you want to drop those 5 cards. So once again, we have the 4 aces and the 4, and you want to flip that over and then drop those 5 cards. Sorry, I dropped a little more. Okay. So now the ace of spades is on top. You want to leave the ace of spades aside. Take the next card, which will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is their card, and they will want to bet you, and then you turn it over and show that really is their card. Okay, some tips for this trick. You might want to turn the card like that, just flip it over quick, and you can do that by bending the card and then just letting go of the bottom and taking it with your thumb once again, like that. And then you will say like you want to look confused, and then reveal the 4 aces. Okay, so thank you for watching. Watch my other videos. I'll see you next time.